Adding Jotform automation to your Canva designs is super easy. You only need to install the Jotform AI Chatbot app once to add the power of Jotform automations to all your Canva designs. I'll show you how to find and install the Jotform AI Chatbot app in the Canva App Store. Let's go. It's super easy to install the Jotform AI Chatbots app in Canva. So anywhere within Canva, whether you're in a design or the templates page or anywhere else, just navigate to the Canva App Store. You can find that by going along the left side here and clicking on the More icon, and then Apps to go to the App Store. Once you're here, just go to Search at the top here and type in Jotform. And you'll see two options, the regular Jotform app, which is for adding your Jotform forms to a design, and then the Jotform AI Chatbot app, which is of course the one we want right now. So just click that and you'll see this pop up here. So you can use Jotform AI Chatbots in an existing design or a new design. If you click on new design, it will ask you to either pick a preset or make your own custom size and take you off into that design. And likewise, if you click use an existing design, you can pick one from your projects and it will take you right into that. Once in your design, you'll see the Jotform AI Chatbot sidebar here, where you can click Create an AI Chatbot to go ahead and do that. Or you can either sign up for a Jotform account or log into your existing account to access all of your existing chatbots. So clicking Create a Chatbot will analyze the design that you have open and create one that aligns with that and understands, in this case, it's a presentation. And that just takes a minute. And once your chatbot is ready, you can customize it here on the side and add it to your design. However, I recommend logging into your Jotform account to sync your Canva and Jotform accounts. That way you can actually save the conversations that happen from this chatbot and access all of the other customization options within Jotform. To do that, just click on either sign up or log in this blue bar right here. And this blue bar also appears when you first install the app as well. It says sign up or log in. So click that and then click connect. And you'll see this pop up so you can log into Jotform however you normally do, or click sign up here at the top. Once you log in, just click allow to allow the Jotform Canva agent to access your account. And this will take you right back into your design. And then you'll see the left sidebar changes to sync all of your existing chatbots with your Jotform account. You can use one of your existing ones, or you can still create a new one by clicking create new AI chatbot here at the bottom. That's it. That's how to install the Jotform AI Chatbots app. The best part is you only have to do that once. After you've installed the app in the App Store, you can use it for all of your subsequent Canva designs. When you're in a different design, you can just click on Apps here on the left, and under Your Apps, you'll see the Jotform AI Chatbot app already installed and connected to your account. So you can just click that and get started right away. So that's how to install the Jotform AI Chatbots app in the Canva App Store. Super simple. If you have any questions about it, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more Jotform tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.